Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to study our next chapter of the Maths 1, that is polynomials. And first we have to study what is the meaning of polynomials or the definition of polynomials. Okay. Then see, if we see the word poly means many. Poly means many. And nomials means terms. Nomials means terms. That is, many terms are there. In the polynomial, there are many terms are joined together with the help of some operations like addition or subtraction. Last year, we have studied the expressions. Then, for example, there are different expressions. I will write down that expressions from your textbook on the blackboard. See, that expressions are p cube minus half p square plus p m square plus 2n cube minus root 3 m raised to 5 6. All these are the expressions. See, all these are the expressions. First expression, the variables are p. In case of second expression, m square plus 2n cube minus root 3 m raised to 5. That is, variables are m and n. Third expression is the 6. That is, these are the different expressions, and into that expressions there are different terms are joined together with the help of plus or minus sign. That is, operations of mathematical operations, addition and subtraction. Then see, these variables are the whole number. Variables are the whole number. In case of first expression, the variables are 3, 2, 1. In case of second expression, the variables are 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5 respectively. In third expression, the powers are, in first expression, variables are p and the power of that variable is 3, 2, 1. In this case, the power of the variable is 2, 3, 5. These are the powers of the variables. Then, why these are the variables? M, N or P, X, Y, Z. These are the variables. Why these are variables? Because values of that terms varies from expression to expression. That is why these are the variables. चल म्हणतो आपण त्याला. त्याची किंमत सतत बदलत असते म्हणून त्याला आपण चल म्हणतो. आणि त्यांचे हे घातांक आहेत. 2, 3. की जे कसे असायला पाहिजेत? होल नंबर. पूर्ण संख्या. These are the whole numbers. Their powers are whole numbers. In case of third expression, the power of that variable is 0. That is, it is constant term. Suppose we join any variable to that. For example, 6x raised to 0. Then x raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, the degree of this expression is 0. That is constant term. Degree of that constant term is always 0, because if we join the variable and having the power 0, then x raised to 0, or we know that the laws of indices, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Same thing is here, x raised to 0 is equal to 1. That is, these are the expressions. And if in the expression the power of that variable is whole number, and then that expressions, that terms are joined together with the help of plus or minus sign, then that expression is called as polynomial. बहुपदी. अनेक पद एकमेकांना जोडलेले असतात. That expression is called as polynomial. Only one condition is there, that is, the degree or the power of that variable must be whole number. It never be negative. If it is negative, then it is not whole number. Because we know that whole number starts from 0 up to infinity. Got it? The polynomial, the expression in which the degree or the power of that variable is whole number, then that expression is called as polynomial. Write down that definition. If powers of the variables are whole numbers, if powers of the variables are whole numbers, then that expressions are called as polynomials. If powers of the variables are whole number, these are the polynomials. Third example, it is constant term. The power of that variable is 0, and we know that the variable having the degree 0, the value of that is 1. Therefore, it is constant term. It is also expression. Then types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. There are, based on their number of terms, there are many types, but mostly we are studying here the three types of the polynomials. There are three types of the polynomials: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Mono means one. Mono means one. Bi means two. And tri means three. Mono means one. Bi means two. Tri means three. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Name indicates its meaning. Name indicates its meaning. That is the polynomial having only one term. Polynomial having only one term is called as monomial. Polynomial having two terms joined together, that is called as binomial. Polynomial having three terms joined together, some mathematical operations like plus or minus, that is called as trinomial. These are the three types of polynomials. For example, we will take the examples here. Monomial 3x square, y cube 6, binomial 3x square plus 2, 9y plus 3, trinomial m cube plus 2m square plus 10, y square plus 10y plus 15. This is trinomial. That is, three terms are collected together. Two terms are collected together, binomial. Monomial, only one term is there. Join the expression, or sometimes it may be a constant term. It is monomial. Monomial, binomial and trinomial. These are the three types of polynomials. Got it? Take down that. Then our next point is degree of polynomial in one variable. Degree of polynomial in one variable. Degree of polynomial in one variable. Then first we have to study what is degree. What is degree? Degree is nothing but the maximum power of the variable. Maximum power of the variable is called as degree of that polynomial. Maximum power of the variable. Maximum power of the variable in a polynomial. maximum power of the variable in a polynomial is called as degree of that polynomial. For example, see here 2x raised to 7 minus 5x. For example, 2x raised to 7 minus 5x plus 9. Here, what is the degree of that polynomial? Then observe, here the variable is only 1. Then maximum power of the variable is x. Here power is 7. Here power is 1. Here is 0. Then 7 is the maximum power. Therefore, degree of that polynomial is 7. Therefore, degree of that polynomial is 7. Maximum power of the variable in that polynomial is called as degree of that polynomial. We will take another example. Three m raised to 9 plus 7m square plus 50. Here the degree of that polynomial is here 9, here 2, degree of that variable is 9, here is second term is 2, degree is 2, 15, the degree is 0. Then 9 is the degree of that polynomial. 9 is the degree of that polynomial. That is very easy, very simple chapter and very easy chapter. If you study, then you will got many marks from this chapter and very easy to understand, to study also. Then this is the degree. We'll be asked for 1 mark. Write down the degree of the polynomial or what is the degree. Suppose we'll be asked for 2 or 3 marks. Match the pair. At that time you have to only observe which is the maximum power. But observe that precisely, that is where the variables are 1 or many, because the degree of that many variables, that is the another point. This is only one variable. If variable is only one, then maximum power, observe that maximum power and then write down degree of that polynomial. Then our next point is the degree of the many variables. If there are in the term there are many variables, then degree of how we can find the degree of that is the next point. First, this is the degree maximum power. Observe only maximum power if the variable is only one. Observe maximum power, that is the degree of that variable. Here maximum power 7, degree of the polynomial is 7. Okay. Then degree of polynomial is more than one variable. Degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial in more than one variable. In more than one variable. If the variables are more than one, for example, then how we can find out the degree of that variable? For example, 3m cube n raised to 6. 3m cube n raised to 6 plus 7 m square n cube. M square n cube minus mn. Here, first we have to find out how many variables are there. See, here the variables are 2. Previous examples, variable is only 1. Here variables are more than 1. That is mn. Variables are more than 1. Then observe first their powers. In this first term, the power of the variable is 3. M raised to 3 means power of that m is 3. Power of n is 6. Then we know that laws of indices, in the process of multiplication we have to carry out addition of their powers. घातांकांची बेरीज करायची. मल्टिप्लिकेशनची प्रोसेस आहे तर कोणतं चिन्ह नाही, म्हणजे गुणाकाराचं चिन्ह आहे m आणि n मध्ये, मग त्यांच्या घातांकांची बेरीज करायची. मग 6 आणि 3 किती होतील? 9. दॅट इज addition of their powers. See here 3 and 6. 3m cube n raised to 6 is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. That is degree of this term is 9. Then m square n cube, here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. mn 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Power of this one here is the 1. If there is no any number, then degree of that variable is 1. Then here 9, 5, 2. These are the powers of the different terms. Then 9 is the maximum power. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is 9. Degree of this polynomial is 9. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is 9. Only you have to carry out the addition of their powers for the many variables. जास्त व्हेरिएबल असते तर त्यांचे फक्त ॲडिशन करायचे आहे आणि ॲडिशन केली की मॅक्झिमम कोणता अंक आहे ती त्याची डिग्री होणार आहे. लक्षात येते. मॅक्झिमम पॉवर ऑफ द व्हेरिएबल, बट इन केस ऑफ मेनी व्हेरिएबल्स carried out addition of their powers, that is the degree of that variable. Then there is one activity on page number 38. There is one activity. Write an example of monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomial, binomial and trinomial on yourself. Write down monomial means only one term. Binomials, two terms are there joined together, plus or minus sign. Trinomial, three terms are there. Write down examples on yourself. Give example of binomial in two variables having degree 5. Degree 5, the two variables are there. Then you can take mn, the degree power of m is 3, n is 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 0. That is, you can take the different numbers and the degree of that two terms, two variables is 5. Write down or solve that activity on yourself. Then types of polynomial based on degree. The chart is given there. Types of polynomial based on the degree. The chart is there. Write down that in your notebook. Already it is given there. Only you have to write down that. Degree is 1, linear polynomial. If degree is 2, quadratic polynomial. Quadratus means 2. Cubic polynomial, degree is 3. Polynomial in one variable, types of polynomial based on the degree. If the degree is 1, that is linear polynomial. If degree is 2, quadratic polynomial. Degree is 3, cubic polynomial. Or I will write down here. Next point, types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Based on degree. Types of polynomials based on degree. Polynomial in one variable. There are three types. Linear polynomial 3x minus 1, 7y. Degree of this variable is only 1. It is called as linear polynomial. Second type, 2y square plus y plus 1, 3x square. The degree is 2. Here 2, here maximum power is 2. Therefore, it is quadratic polynomial. And third type is x cube plus x square plus 2x plus root 3 or m minus m cube. Here the degree is 3, maximum power is 3 in third example. It is cubic polynomial. If degree is 3, it is cubic polynomial. Degree is 2, quadratic polynomial. Degree is 1, linear polynomial. Degree is 1, linear polynomial. Degree is 2, quadratic polynomial. We know that quadratus means 2. Cube means 3. Cubic polynomial. 3 terms are there. Here maximum power is 3 or degree is 3. Degree is 2. Degree is 1. Linear, quadratic, cubic polynomial. Okay, in this lecture we have studied the polynomial, then types of polynomial, degree of polynomial in one variable, degree of polynomial in many variables and types of polynomials based on the degree. Okay, we will continue in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.